Right, so it's a bit windy, a bit wet, but tonight we are going to watch the fireworks. Should be good. It's also very, very cold.
You went from being my number one to 2, then 3. Baby, I don't know what happened, but I miss the memories. And I wish you well, hope that everything's fine. I wouldn't want to stick around and waste your time, cause you're gone with the wind and I'll never find someone else like you. Why am I so blind? I wish you well, hope that everything's fine. I wish you well, hope that everything's fine. I wish you well, hope that everything's fine. Why am I so blind?
On me to apologize, but I didn't want you to think you were right. So we never talked about it, we never even tried to work our way around it before the fire died. I hope you're fine. I didn't want to let you into my mind.
Ladies and gentlemen, give a huge, massive Welsh welcome to the awesome twosome, Reggie and Bollie!
Okay, so it's what?
Neat!
Knee. All right. That was Bollie's fault. I asked him, Bollie. Okay. I heard it's Neat Rugby Football Club Stadium, right? What's that? Okay. That's what's up. Thank you very much, people. Everybody. Bollie. Look.
Drifted away, now you're gone.
Had so many off days, we were never on.
If only I'd seen the gap in between.
You would still be here with me. Here with me.
I'm as real as they come, they feel it get numb. You think you got a little buzz, so now you can't get stung. I keep a razor blade tucked on me under my tongue. Don't let me have to tell these niggas about the city I'm from. It's Brooklyn.